In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use social media to get a job. I have been blessed that I've helped several people get jobs, and the kind of feedback that I get from them keeps on fueling me to help more people. Take a look at this email.
Grace told me, "Dear Daniel, hope my email finds you well. This is to say a big thank you to Career Point Solutions. I have just been confirmed for a job that I have applied using the professional CV you did for me in July this year. I also got sample cover letters which I utilized one that was a perfect match. I have applied for other jobs, but this one I got the interview invitation and used the tips offered by you. And now I have landed the job. Though I was out of job for 2 years, but the moment I followed your advice, it took 2 months to land my dream job. Keep the good work of empowering others. Kindest regards, Grace."
Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. Looking for a job can be a job by itself, but most of us spend a lot of time on social media. Why not leverage that time to be searching for a job and actually secure one while still having fun? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you can do to help your job search on social media. And at the end, I'm going to give you an extra bonus tip that can be a game changer. I use it and it really helps me. So the first thing that you need to do on your social media profiles is to clean them up. Your potential employer is searching for you, and you don't want them to see some inappropriate content that you posted on social media that will misrepresent you. What I mean is that you need to go back to your social media profile and delete all those photos, updates, and comments that will misrepresent you. You don't want your potential employers to be seeing your photos while you're having fun at your local bar, or the kind of crazy stuff you used to do while you're in campus, or what you do in the midnight having your fun. I'm not saying those things are bad, it's okay, but it is not the best thing for the potential employer to see. They will misrepresent you. They will have some judgment about who you are and the kind of job you can do. And that would not be the best place for you to start off. Number 2, I want you to follow leaders in your industry. Depending with the social media platform you're on, just understand what is the objective there. Like on LinkedIn, it is very easy for you to connect with industry leaders even if you don't know them. But on Facebook, they really try to promote you being friends with people that you already know in real life. However, you can still be able to follow them on Facebook if they are industry leaders. Number 3, I want you to follow the companies that you would want to work with. This will give you some ideas on what they are up to, some of the projects that they are doing. As you follow these companies, you get to understand more about them, and you are doing your company research as you continue having fun on social media, because this will come in handy if you're invited for an interview. And you can even use some of their comments, some of their posts in your application just to show them that you are a loyal follower. Number 3, I want you to join groups in your industry. If you're an accountant, join accounting groups in this social media platform. If you are a lawyer, do the same. In this group, there is a lot of discussion, there is a lot of conversation around matters that concern that specific industry. And you will be surprised that most of the jobs are posted first in this group so that they can be able to attract the right talent, and you will be the first one to know if you have joined these groups. And number 5, you need to showcase yourself as an expert. Now, this cuts across the first 3 things that we have already mentioned. Showcasing yourself as an expert means that you need to be a very useful member of that platform, of that group, while you're following the company, while you're following the industry leaders. This involves you being useful, starting conversations, asking questions, answering questions, liking, sharing, commenting on the stuff that is already being discussed on in these groups, in these pages, in this company's profile, or this leader who asks a question and you are engaging. This allows you to be in a position where this influencer, this leader in that industry, members of that group know that you already exist without you being very pushy and telling people, yes, here I am. When you use this strategy very well, guess what? Whenever these companies, industry leaders are looking for an employee, they'll be thinking about you first, even before they post the job. And when they post the job in the groups, in their website, and you apply, they will first recognize you. The fact that you have been having that connection, you have been having that conversation on social media, and that gives you an upper hand over other applying candidates. And before I go to my bonus tip, I want to say this. At Career Point Solutions, we help people who are looking for jobs to increase their earning potential and to become more employable. And one way we are able to do that is by offering free CV review. And recently we started offering free career coaching sessions. So if you would like to take advantage of this free offer, head over to www.careerpoint.co.ke/CV review. In the description of this video, I will also drop a link that will lead you to the page where you submit your CV for free. Don't let this opportunity pass you just like that. Remember, head over to www.careerpoint.co.ke/CV review. And to my bonus tip, you need to showcase your work on these social media platforms. Show before and after of some of the projects that you've been working on. Share the recommendation that you have gotten, awards that you have won, or achievements that you have gotten throughout your career. I share the progress that I have on my YouTube channel in these different social media platforms. I share when I get to a milestone. I've gotten to 7,500 subscribers, or I've gotten a certain number of views. And I do it not only to boast, but to appreciate my followers, to appreciate people who have been with me in this journey. You can equally do that. You are a customer care officer. Just share a story of someone that you really helped, they were in need, and they were very grateful of the kind of work that you did. If you are a graphic designer, showcase the latest logo, the latest flyer that you have created. If you are an IT person, share the latest software that you are developing. What are the challenges that you're facing? How did you solve a certain bug? All this, the options are endless. We all have some small wins that we get in our day-to-day lives at work, and the best way to be able to leverage these small wins is sharing them on social media, but with the purpose of showing people that you are good at what you do. Also, take a look at this video on how to write a professional CV. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. I will see you in my next video. I'm out.